Hey everyone, Ian here at Manderscheid Media, and we had a chance to sneak over to Radical Restorations in Cadogan, Alberta, on our way to Red Deer for our other business. We have a conference out there, so we stopped in and quickly seen Bob and Myrna and had to see Jeff's car. Bob had told me it was getting really, really close, and I know I had a video not that long ago, but it's definitely closer now. So there's a few things to be worked out, but yeah, we have a 90% finished 1971 440 6-barrel 6-pack RT Charger, one of the 6 in the second batch from Medicine Hat. So yeah, this is this video does no justice to this car. It is just amazing. And I know, probably if you watch and follow the video or follow the channel, I say this in so many aspects, but I seen this before it was started. I mean, this thing was rough. So it is really, really close. You can tell that the seats aren't in, and there is a fabric dilemma right now that is trying to be solved. It has the cloth inserted seats, and that material is right now on back order from Legendary. So yeah, there's a bit of a snag there. Kick panels have to be installed yet, but yeah, this thing turned out just flawlessly. So this car right now is almost running. It's, like I said, super close. The vinyl roof, obviously you can see all this in the video. I mean, it is just ridiculous. The spoiler's on. I mean, the trunk, it has to be finished off with the trunk mat and the spare tire and stuff. But I mean, if you get a chance to see this at any car show, I mean, I think Jeff is going to be just absolutely delighted. Now, this car, like I was getting to, it's got turned down exhaust, no machine gun tips, and that's how it was ordered, which Jeff wanted to keep it as the broadcast sheets said and how the fender tag shows. So yeah, this thing is done with the utmost attention to detail and options included. So there's a couple of things that, like I said, we're waiting for, or Bob's waiting for. Wheel well chrome is also on back order. So if anybody is watching this that has a set of all 4 corners wheel well chrome, or maybe has a lead on the material for the seats, give Bob a call at Radical, 1-780-753-6120, and Bob's your guy. But yeah, so the Ram Charger hood is all completed. I'm gonna crack it open here. I mean, to say I'm a Mopar guy is beyond. I think I'm a Mopar nut for sure. Way past enthusiast. I mean, this car just brought a smile to my face. I just absolutely love it. It's just done as I would expect. Again, I mean, Bob has done fantastic work for 40 years, so this thing just turned out wicked. So yeah, here's the fender tag. Again, this one's Lynch Road, Michigan. Those fender tags are so scarce for codes on it. So yeah, white vinyl roof, Canadian car, council buckets. Not really a whole bunch on that tag, but the cool part is we have 2 broadcast sheets for this car. Bob found one when he was taking it apart, and Jeff had one right away underneath the driver's side seat. At some point, he pulled it out. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, Hideaway headlights. This thing is just wicked, 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 wicked. Again, just unreal work again done by Isaiah and Bob at Radical Restorations. Take care. Bye for now.